you aware of this list?
No.
Have you been informed during consultation with the State Council about the existence of the second docket?
Yes, my lord. I don't see the relevance of that. That has got absolutely nothing to do with witness. Witness is deposed through affidavits. She's here to give her version. These are administrative matters which have got nothing to do with the witness at all.
What's your response, Counsel?
My lord, it is relevant because I'm bringing this to the attention of the witness for the first time, wherein the state has failed to bring it to the attention of the witness. The witness does not know that she stands as a suspect in this matter. And I want her to respond if she has, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Boloi.
Well, we have handed in Exhibit B, the centralization directive from the NDPP. As to what will flow out of that, my lord, it's of no relevance to to this witness.
Yes. So you continue. We want to hear.
Thank you, my lord.
Why you think this witness should know that?
To this letter. You know, the reason why this docket was opened, and it is because of the evidence which shows that you, I mean by you, Ms. Kumalo, as well as all other people who were inside the house, are suspects in this case.
Imbangela ke yokuthi kube nalo dokotela lesibili ke elapha khona noma elavulwa ingoba kunofakazi ke okhona okuyinkomba ke ukuthi wena ke uma ngithi wena Miss Khumalo kanye nabo bonke awunabo phakathi endlini niyabasolwa kuleli cala.
I'm just bringing it to your attention.
Into nje engikwazisa yona leyo. I hear you.
So in other words, in terms of paragraph 3, a decision has not been finalized in terms of paragraph 3, and it will depend on the findings of this trial.
Ngokwalana ke ku3 isinqumo ke asikathathwa mayelana nale docket leli elu375 lokho ke kusekuthini ke uzoba yini umphumela noma imiphumela yaleli cala esibhekele nalo manje.
This exhibit supports that there was no intruder who entered inside the house.
How can you say that? How can you say
That's a bit far.
He's a witness now.
As the court pleases, my lord, I will rephrase the question. My lord, may I ask that this letter be admitted to the court, submitted to the court as exhibit.
Okay. Are you going to object the same way, Mr. Baloi?
No, this time around.
Yeah. Why is it addressed to some advocate, Tefu? And it's written by the Director of Public Prosecutions. Why would that be?
It was furnished to us like that, my lord.
Mr. Baloi, what's your explanation about this?
Well, it was the outcome of representations by the person that the court mentioned.
Yeah.
And it was informing the person what the outcome of the decision is. There's another, if I remember well, there's another version. It was addressed to all the legal representatives.
Oh, I see. All of them?
Yes, all
okay.
of them.
Is that so, Miss?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Fine.
Because we had an issue that why those suspects had not been arrested, my lord. Then that's the letter were given by the DPP.
So they were never arrested?
Yet, my lord.
They were never charged.
They have not yet been charged.
You don't know. I don't know. I talk.
Thank you, my lord. Can I proceed?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ma'am, let's go back. I just missed at the beginning of your examination in chief your occupation. What is your occupation?
Engingatholanga nje ekaleni umsebenzi wakho.
Right now, I'm a singer. I'm an artist.
Manje ngiyacula i-artist.
Okay, for how long?
Isikhathi esingakanani?
I've done in 2016.
I started in 2016.
And are you qualified to do that?
Qualified to kwenza lokho?
Yebo, njalo.
Yes, that's
Okay.
so.
Why should the singer be qualified? You just sing. Okay, right.
My lord, it is very important to get
Have you
the.
heard of a gentleman called Mashatin? In Bojomania. When he sings, and I sing, and you sing.
But it's important to get the qualifications of the witness properly.
You can ask
If
her.
they are in, if he doesn't
You can
have,
ask her.
we just need to.
Maybe you want
correct
to
it.
say, did you study music?
Music.
No, I didn't.
Just
No,
like
I
me.
started music. It's a talent that I was born with.
Okay.
And metric, did you pass metric?
Metric or pass. What's the relevance?
What's your highest standard of education?
Marketing.
I did marketing.
Have you testified in court before?
Usuke wanikeza ngokufakaza enkantolo ngaphambili? No,
This is your first time ever.
uyaqala. Yes, that's correct.
As the witness of the court, the purpose for you to come here is to tell the court what happened. Do you understand that?
Nanjengofakazi wenkantolo ke injongo noma inhloso yokuthi belana ukutshela inkantolo lokho okwenzeka uyakuzwa lokho. I get that.
Besides what I've said in the previous exhibit O, but you are currently, your status remain the court witness.
You mean exhibit Q?
Q, yes, sorry.
Okay. Ngaphandle kwaloko engikushilo lana ke kule exhibit noma kule ncwadi lena engiyifundileke kodwa manje ke ufakazi enkantolo. I hear you.
And the questions that I'm putting to you, I expect the answer that will assist the court to come to a good conclusion.
Make ngikubuza umbuzo ngilindele ke impendulo ezolekelela yona ke lenkantolo ukuthi ifinyelele kwesinqumo ekuyisona noma esifanele.
Not to assist me, but the court.
Akulekelela mina kodwa inkantolo. I hear you.
And when you are answering, you don't direct answers to me, but you direct answers to the court, and you refer to the court as my lord.
And uma futhi ke uphendula impendulo zakho awuyiqondisi kumina kodwa ke uqondise enkantolo usho ke uma ubhekisa ke kumehluleleki uthi my lord.
Do you understand?
I hear you.
And when I'm asking a question, if you know the answer, just respond without saying other explanations.
Uma ngibuza umbuzo, uma kukuthi nje impendulo yayazi isho nje shona nje yona impendulo ngaphandle kokuthi uchaze nje okunye.
If it's yes, it's yes. If it's no, it's no.
Uma kuyebo, kuyebo. Uma kucha, ucha. I hear you.
Thank you. Ms. Kumara, you testified that on the date of the incident, you were sitting in the house and you were drinking alcohol together with people who were inside the house. But what I want to know now, how many people were drinking or were partaking in that drinking of liquor?
Ushilo ke ukuthi ngalelela langa nanihlezi endlini nani kanye nabanye ke labo ohlezi nabendlini naniphuza kodwa ke engifuna ukubuza ke ukuthi bangaki ababephuza.
Sasiphuza sonke ngaphandle kwama.
All of us were drinking except my mother.
Okay. By the way, how long did it take? How long was it? Did you stay from the time you entered drinking alcohol up to the time wherein the so-called intruders came in?
Kwaba isikhathi noma kwathatha isikhathi esingakanani kusukela ngesikhathi ke nangena ngaso nahlala ke niyaphuza kwaze kwaba ileso sikhathi leso ekwangena ke laba nti bange othi wabangena.
Angizange sibheke isikhathi.
I didn't look at the time.
But for the entire duration you were consuming alcohol?
Kodwa ke ngaso sonke leso sikhathi leso naniphuza utshwala.
Yebo makana u3.
Yes, 3 cans.
Okay. How much liquor did you buy, by the way?
Nathenga utshwala obungakanani.
If you still remember, if you can't recall, just say so that you can.
Uma usakhumbula uma ukhumbule awukhumbule usho.
There's no harm.
Angisakhumbuli kahle.
I can't remember that well.
My Lord, can I ask with the leave of the court that the witness be shown photos number 116?
Yes.
I've asked that the pictures be uploaded. Of exhibit D, my Lord.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the accused must also be able to see. Photos number 112, 114, 115, my Lord, 116, and 117. Maybe let me say to 122. But for the purpose of this witness, can we open one by one? 112. 112 and 113. Sorry, 112 and 114. All those that are depicting the cans of alcohol. 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, and 122. Do you see those pictures, Ms. Kumalo?
Uyazibona zonke le top.
Yebo ngiyazibona.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Those are the pictures of the cans of alcohol that were found by the police when they arrived at the scene. Do you
Amakani
understand?
lana utshwala ke atholwa amaphoyisa ngathi efika la isigameko senzeka khona.
Those two from all that range of pictures. You can take your time, go through all those pictures.
Njengoba ngibhekelela ngathi amakheni awodwa kodwa ashuthwe kaningi.
As I see here, it's the same cans but shot different times, or many times.
Yes, those are the pictures we have in this photo album referring to the cans of alcohol.
Izona ithombe esinazo lana ke ekhomba ke amakani utshwala.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I
Do
hear
you
you.
understand it? Yes. Okay. And there is no other picture depicting cans of alcohol more than those two cans in this photo album.
Kule album ke azikho ezinye ithombe ezikhomba ke amakani utshwala.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.
But do you agree with me that you did not only consume you did not only buy what is depicted in these pictures?
Kodwa ke uyavuma ukuthi anizange nithenge kuphela lokhu esikubonayo ezithombeni.
Sathenga utshwala ba400 kwabuya ushintshe.
We bought- Oh, sorry. We bought alcohol to the amount of 400 rands and you still got some change back, so I'm not certain.
I hear that, but my question is, this does not depict what you bought. Is that correct?
Kodwa ke engikubuzayo ukuthi lokho esikubonayo noma lokho akusiyona inkomba yalokho enakuthenga. I hear you, yes.
And you agree with me that you bought more than 2 cans. You bought alcohol, more than 2 cans, which are depicted in this photo album as well.
Nathenga ngaphezu kwamakani amabili otshwala lana akhona noma esiwabonayo la ethombeni.
Yebo kunjani?
Yes, that's true.
So there is no clear evidence submitted before this court in terms of this photo album of the crime scene for the real amount of alcohol that was consumed in the house, whether used or by way of used or empty cans.
Akusho ukuthi ke abukho ubufakazi ke obuyibona ke noma abaneleke phambi kwale nkantolo ke la khona ke inkantolo ikhonjiswa khona ke utshwala ke ekuyibona obathengwa noma obabukhona lapha noma obasetshenziswa noma ke obabukhona lapho ngakasetshenziswa.
Ngiyabuza ukuthi uthini udustbin wasekhaya ungaphandla ukendlini so angazi.
I hear what you say, but the dustbin at home is outside, it's not inside, so I don't know.
Okay, did you clean the house? Was the house cleaned?
Ngaba kwaklinwa yini endlini? Who? No?
I hear you are referring to the dustbin. At what stage was the house cleaned?
Ngizwa
When the cans could have been removed?
Ngizwa ukhuluma ngokuklina, so ukuthi kwaphuma siphi isikhathi amakani asuswa.
Umuntu nomuntu mayiqeda ukuphuza yimini ebengithatha amakani ngiwakhiphela phandle.
Each and every time a person finished drinking, I was the one who would take the tins or the cans outside.
Oh, okay. How many did you remove?
Wakhipha mangaki?
Angisakhona.
I can't recall.
And you said how many cans did you consume?
Uthi 3.
And they're not depicted in that picture, am I correct?
Awekho la esithombeni angithi.
Angiwaboni.
No, I don't see them. I see only one.
Did you throw them away?
Wawalahla?
Possibly.
Possibly.
Possibly. That's not correct. Possibly. Can you recall?
Angisakhumbuli.
I can't
Kodwa
recall.
ngikwazi ukuthi khona amakani engangiwathatha ngiwalahla ukwenza ukuthi indlu igcine i-right.
But what I do recall is that there were cans that I would take and throw away, so just to ensure that the house was in a good state.
Why are we hearing that for the first time during cross-examination that when you were sitting inside the house consuming alcohol, you will take other cans and remove them out of the house?
That's a good principle. That was never relevant. We're not here to discuss who was clearing cans
And that
this
question
issue was
wasn't
never
asked.
canvassed.
As I recall, Ms. Solon, the evidence, that question was never asked.
My Lord, even if the question was never asked, but there is evidence suggesting that the crime scene was tampered with.
Well, we haven't set out a foundation for that submission.
But that is why I'm clarifying from the witness if there was a stage wherein he cleared the cans.
Yeah, she says she put the cans in the dustbin to make the table in the room habitable.
Then it cannot, my Lord, be said that the question is irrelevant.
Okay, go on.
Thank you. The photo album that is before you there, Ms. Kumalo, is the photo album of the crime scene. In other words, it depicts the evidence that was found by the police when they arrived at the scene.
I-album ke le ephambi kwakho i-album ke ye-crime scene noma indawo ke yesigameko iyinkomba ke yokuthi yini eyatholwa ngamaphoyisa nkathi efika endlini.
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.
And the reason why I'm referring you to this photo album is for you to comment if it's accurate or it's not accurate.
Isizathu ke
If
sokuthi
you
ke
can.
isizathu ke sokuthi ke ngikhombeke yona le album ukuthi wena ke usho ke ukuthi yebo ingendlela cha ayikho ngendlela uma kuukuthi uyakwazi.
Kusho ukuthi kuzomela ngithathe isikhathi sonke ngibheke zonke izithombe. nakhona okunye angisakhumbuli.
Which then means that I will have to take the time, the entire time, to go through all the photos and some of the things I can't recall or remember.
Engikholelwa yikona ukuthi
Unfortunately, you are
amaphoyisa
not asking
atholile
questions.
lokho abekufuna.
Sorry?
Ngithe ngikholelwa yikona ukuthi amaphoyisa athola lokho ayekudinga ngazi ukuthi ayidinga.
And what I believe is that the police found whatever it is that they were looking for, and I don't know what were they looking for.
Yes, that's what I needed, all I needed from you. You are the witness. I said you can comment if you can. If you cannot, you can just say I have no. There's no harm.
Nanjengoba bengishilo ukuthi wena kukwena nje uma ukuthi into awukwazi ukuthi uyiphendule noma awunampendulo usho.
But as a person who was there inside the house, you can tell us, say, oh no, it's not this, but it was like this. If you see that it does not depict what you know.
Kodwa ke uma kuukuthi kunesithombo sibonayo uthi cha ngalendlela engiyibona ngathi ngakhona kwakunganjena ke endlini nanjengomuntu owayesendlini.
You understand?
Ngiyakuzwa.
I hear you.